In this video, I'd like to talk about how to do UV mapping for a cylinder. Now, as you can see, we have a cylinder here. Normally for a shape like this, we can now go to the menu bar, UV, cylindrical, select this, and now we can see this gizmo here. It's a bit hard to see now, but for example, if we choose this green one and drag it up, now we can see it easier. It got this wrapping shape. If we select this red manipulator, now we can wrap the whole cylinder up. This is what we want. We can see the seam here, the white line here, the white line. That's the seam. We want to, for example, we want to hide this seam from people. For example, if we mainly look at this cylinder here, that's good because the seam is behind. Now let's check, let's tick on inside of this UV editor, let's tick on this checker display. And now we need our manipulator back. So I'm going to Maya Classic, shadow box, select this cylinder and click on this projector. We can use T to grab our manipulator back, and now we can select on this little T to down here to switch to another set of manipulator, plus and minus, change the size, select on the circle. Now we can rotate it. When we rotate it inside of this input, we can see the numbers is changed. So we can select on Y, and actually inside of the viewport, we can drag our middle mouse drag and change this number. It's a bit hard to see the change that we've made, but we can switch back to UV editor, or we can use this little icon here and open this checker display. Now we can select another value. So now we can see that actually it is making changes. So instead of using this key, this manipulator, we can just change the values of our projector inside of this input area. I'm going to switch back to my UV editing mode. See, my checker is actually squashed, but what we want is we want no distortion. We want the square checkers to display as squares, yeah? As squares like this. Yeah, that's the right proportion. Now for these two, the top and the bottom, we can go to face mode. We can just select the top and shift select the bottom like this, and go to UV planar and select an X bounding box, Y, so top and down. We can use 1X for the same direction and apply. Oops. Now, click this, select everything, or we can do right click, go to UV shell, select everything. We should have 3 shells. Let's have a look. If we go to layout, see, perfect. We can see 3 shells. We can use R, scale it down a bit to keep everything inside of the 0 to 1 area. Now we can select 1 shell or 2, both, and W, and move them up a bit so they're not, in a too tight space. So later it'd be easier for us to paint the map inside of Photoshop. That's it. Thanks for watching.